Welcome to the channel. This is video number 3 in the Modern Maker series that I'm doing. This video is about Bill Carter, who is a plane maker in his 80s over in the UK, and he has been making planes longer than I have been alive. Now, he is just a really cool, down-to-earth person. Him and his wife, Sarah, have a YouTube channel, and I love watching his videos because he's just chill and natural, and he doesn't try to put on a front like a lot of YouTubers do or anything like that. But the other thing I find really cool about him is his style is so unique, and it is just so cool. So all of his planes, most of his planes, I have seen some that he's cleaned up, but he leaves the patina or adds patina or whatever he does. He makes them look vintage, and I love that. Now, he does add some, I guess, quote-unquote modern flares because he does this thing that's called a Cupid's bow dovetail, which I'd never heard of before until I started checking out his planes. And I just think that that's a really cool style. It's a really unique style, and it's different from any of the other plane makers out there. The other thing he does is my hands-down favorite thing of all modern plane makers because it is so unique. It is so different, and I don't know that it's ever been done before. He takes the spines of old, busted-up saws and turns them into infill planes. He leaves the maker's mark on them, he leaves them with patina, but he turns them into functioning, I guess, like thumb planes, the size of thumb planes. And I just think that that is really cool, and it is on my bucket list to own one of those just because they are of his own design. I mean, he thought of that, and I just think that that's really cool. I did say that he started making planes longer than I've been alive, and I want to break that down a little bit. So, in the 1970s, that's when he started making wooden planes, and then right around 1983 is when he started making the metal planes. And I also want to highlight here, he is completely self-taught. He didn't take classes or anything like that. He just put the hard work and dedication and his heart into this and learned the craft to produce these beautiful planes. I should have mentioned this a little bit earlier. He is based out of the UK, which does make his planes a little bit more difficult to get here in the States. But if you do find them, snag them because they are awesome. They are beautiful. They are very unique. The people are just awesome. I mean, just all around, I love his planes. If you find one, get one. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you got any questions, any comments, anything like that, feel free to let us know down below, and have a good day.